Hi everyone. So this thing, based on what I searched online, is called threading follower. So when a screw is all messed up, you can just follow the thread with this and fix it. I don't know much about it, but I'm gonna try something. So it has all the numbers. I don't know what C3 means, but anyway, 1/4, 5/16, and 1/2 inch. And this is as far as it goes, so you can make anything within, I guess, this diameter right here. So let's see. So imagine that this is our screw. I already tried to see which one fits. I already know this is the last one, so we're gonna mess it up. So let's say this screw is all beat up. Let me do it more. Boom. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I've been working on a couple of projects. I haven't had the chance to. And I can't wear gloves because I can't find gloves. So nothing is available. Anyway, make sure to add oil. And then you go like, you just follow it. You can start from the beginning too. You can actually make it right. But there you go. You tighten it up. You can adjust the width or adjust how much pressure you want to put into it. Sorry about that. Every once in a while I have to twist this handle because it keeps loosening up. And if you make a mistake and loosen it, like right now, you can skip a thread and that will cause problem. I think that's enough just to show. That's good. It's still putting some pressure on it. I can feel it. Okay, now we're going all the way up. Let's see. So there you go. It's still, you see, I'm not sure if I came this far or not, but if I, yeah, I did. So you see, there is still a little bit of gap in here. I mean, I still have to press, I think I have to press this handle a little bit further more so I can fix these. But anyway, it's pretty good. It's very useful for my restoration projects. Especially when I have a broken screw, I can just fix it with this. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Here for the others. I've got something to do.
You're not coming back, are you?